Welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in to another video. So as you guys can see, I'm about halfway done with this hairstyle, and I just wanted to come on and show y'all what it's looking like. I'm gonna finish it on camera, but I wanted to go ahead and get my footing and get started. So for these bob twists, this tutorial is not going to be too long because the way that I'm doing them is exactly the way that I did the twist video that I just uploaded, like literally just uploaded like 2-3 weeks ago. I did the same exact method. The only thing different that I'm doing is the bob. So all I do is I just cut the ends off and make sure they're even and tie them with a black rubber band. So yeah, this tutorial is not going to be in depth because I literally just uploaded a video doing longer twists in the same exact method, and I don't want to upload the same video twice. I'm literally doing the same method. So I will link that video up here if you guys want a more in-depth twist tutorial. But yeah, I'm just going to fly through these twists and film it for you guys. This style is actually super easy, and I love the bobbed look. So I can't wait to see what it's going to look like when I'm done. So I think the only challenge that I've been having is making sure that they're all the same length, because it's different from the back of your head to the front. Like, you know, especially when you're not a professional and you're just doing it at home, it's like, okay, I'm gonna do my best. And that's what I've been doing. So yeah, sometimes the shrinkage tricks me and it ends up a little bit shorter than what the other one was because I don't see the shrinkage until the twist is already done and rubber band off. Okay, so you just have to be really mindful that shrinkage does play a factor. Shrinkage does play a factor, and it can trick you when it comes to figuring out how long your twists need to be. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the back. Alright guys, so I finished my hair and I love it so much. I think it came out really cute. Definitely the hardest part was having to deal with shrinkage. As you guys can see, some of them are shorter, some of them are longer, and it's because when I twisted it, I twisted it right and then I cut it, and then, well no, I twisted it, tied it off with the rubber band, and then I cut it. So then once I cut it, then the shrinkage comes and my hair shrinks, and then that's when it becomes uneven. So I'm not sure if next time I should let it dry first before I should just twist it all the way down and then rubber band it and then cut it when it's dry. But I have to figure out a way to get around that because I really want them to be as even as possible. But you guys can see like the shrinkage. Yeah, I'm so pleased. It came out super cute. Now I have a cute little twisted bob and I got my hairstyle for the weekend. So yeah, if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, like I said, go ahead and check out my official crochet no needle twist video. And thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Comment below what you think. All right, bye guys.